Today we're going to work on a pre-Christmas nail design using some blue, gold, and black. On my nails right now is a China Glaze polish. This one is called Take a Track. I only have one coat on and I'm going to stamp using these two colors. This one's from Hit the Bottle. It's called Spun Gold. And this is black from Bundle Monster, which back in the days that's what they were called. But anyway, this is what the design is going to look like. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Uberchic plate. It's plate 1-01. I'm using these two designs right here, and I might do...
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.